So I'm gonna say, oops, my nail. It's not happening on camera. Sorry. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Rituals Beauty Advent Calendar. It is this gorgeous box here. It smells very nice and the price for this one is 60 euros. We have 24 products. They claim that the overall value is 120 euros, which is double the amount that I have paid, so that's great. Rituals is a brand that has a lot of skincare and body care products. They also have some makeup products. However, I'm not expecting makeup in this advent calendar. Subscribe for more festive videos and let's see this beautiful box here with this label, and you can write your friend's name if you want to give it as a present to them. This one is elastic and it's very easy to remove. You can also keep it and reuse it. Hello. Oops. And now let's remove the outer layer. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. It is super adorable. So this is door number 1. Oh my god, a little candle. Oh my god, it smells amazing. This one is the Savage Garden Private Collection. I'm gonna use it in my Christmas decoration video. I'm gonna create a centerpiece. I'm very excited. So stay tuned. Door number 2 is a little bit bigger. I think that we have something like a body oil. Nope. This one is the tulip and the Japanese yuzu. And this one is the foaming shower gel from the Amsterdam collection. We have 50 milliliters. It smells amazing. I think this one is a mini product as well. And let's see door number 3, where it is. It's this one here. If it was another advent calendar, I would say a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss. But I don't think we have makeup. I'm gonna say lip gloss. Nope. You definitely need something to take the products out from this advent calendar. Otherwise, it's not easy. This one here is the Ritual of Jink or Yink, your path to inner peace. And this one is a deep sleep pillow mist. The scent is sacred wood and lavender. So I don't like using these products, especially for me, because I think that they just cover the issues, the sleeping issues. Products like this one seem to be very safe to use, but I think that you just lose time and you don't find the actual reason that you cannot sleep. That's why I don't like products like this one. So let's continue with door number 4. Oh my god, it's here. So I'm gonna say, oops, my nail. I'm gonna say a shower gel. It's not. And this one here is the Elixir Collection Overnight Hydrating Hair Mask. And it contains argan oil and shikakai. This one contains 20 milliliters. I have never heard of a product like this one before. An overnight hair mask. It's weird, right? So I'm very curious if this actually does something. I have used a hair oil by this brand and it's not useful at all if you have damaged hair. This one doesn't look like a full-size product. And door number 5, I'm gonna say a shower gel again. Nope. The packaging is so elegant and very royal. This one is the Ritual of Ayurveda Recovery Hand Balm for dry skin, and we have 70 milliliters. I think this is a full size for a hand cream. That's a lot of product. The scent is Indian rose and sweet almond oil. I actually have tried products with this scent again and I love it. It smells amazing. I think this one is my favorite scent of this brand. And door number 6 is waiting for me here, and it's very small. I'm gonna say a lip balm. I'm not sure if they have lip balms. Oh, it's not happening on camera. Sorry. We have another mini candle. This one is the Green Cardamom Private Collection by Rituals. You know, this is the Rituals Advent Calendar. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And I like that we have 2 white candles because they fit with my decoration for my Christmas video. Door number 7 is here. It looks again like a lip gloss. I'm gonna say a nail file. Whoosh. It says something in Greek. Spray somatos. Okay, body mist. So this one here is the Spring Love Happifying Body Mist. This one is the Ritual of Holly. The scent for this one is White Lily and Peach Blossom. We have 20 milliliters. So I'm guessing that this is not a full-size product. I'm not very sure about the body mist that they have. So door number 8. Where are you? Oh, okay, found it. So it's this one here. I'm gonna say a body lotion. I found it! So this one is the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. And we have the Magic Touch Body Cream. This one contains organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So I'm guessing this smells fantastic. We have 70 milliliters for a body cream. I think this is a mini size. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Let's continue with door number 9 here. I'm gonna say a shower gel. Oh my god, I found it again. So, ow, the door hit me. This one is the Ritual of Samurai, groomed to perfection. It says sport, and this is a hair and body wash. So basically a shampoo and a shower gel, and the scent of it is organic bamboo and Japanese mint. This one smells very fresh. I'm very curious to use it. So door number 10. It's this tiny here. It looks like a lipstick. I don't think it's a lipstick. What is this? This one is the Ritual of Namaste Glow Anti-Aging Ampoule Booster. Okay, I'm super curious to open it and see what we have. Oh my god, we have just an ampoule, a glass ampoule. Why just one? Do they sell it like this? Just one ampoule? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna give this. I'm not good with glass ampoules. And door number 11. Oh, it's here. Found it. This one looks like a hand cream. This one here is the Ritual of Ayurveda. And we have the Nurturing Shower Oil with Indiana Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. I have used this again, and I actually have another full bottle, so I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. And this is, oops, so this is mine, and this goes for a giveaway, and it just smells fantastic. Door number 12 is something squishy. Treat yourself with this scrub glove for soft and silky smooth skin for the ultimate spa moment at home. So, oh, it means with the oil. That's a very, very interesting product. And now let's go to door number 13. It's this small one. Ba-bam. Oh, it's a mini candle. Oh my god. It's so cute! It says Wild Fig and also private collection, so I'm guessing all of the candles are in the same collection. I think I don't like the scent, but it's very shiny, so I will decorate it somewhere, definitely. My aunt is actually making a pie from figs. It is very nice, and also it is like a traditional sweet dessert in Cyprus. I have never seen this pie in other countries, and the scent doesn't remind figs because I like figs. So yeah, let's find door number 14. I'm gonna say nail clipper. I don't know why. Okay, so this one doesn't close very tightly. You can see some space here. And it says the Ritual of Karma. This one is a shower gel. The scent is Holy Lotus and organic white tea. It actually smells very nice because it has some product on the packaging. We have 30 milliliters. This is very small. This one reminds me of summer and sunbathing at the beach. It smells amazing. So door number 15. I'm gonna say a nail file. It looks like a nail file, right? Yes, found it. Victory! 10 points to Gryffindor. I'm curious if this is the same type of nail file like the Body Shop. It looks like you can take off the first layer of nail file, but I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna try it. Day number 16, it looks like a mini candle. This one here is the Ritual of Sakura soap bar with the scent of rice milk and cherry blossom. I'm guessing that this one smells fantastic as well. Oh my god, it smells so good. We have 25 grams of product. I'm not sure if this is a mini size. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. And then door number 17 looks like a mini shower gel. Nope, this one here is the Ritual of Namaste Glow Anti-Aging Ampoule Booster. I think this is exactly the same product with another door. Yes, so these are going for a giveaway. And door number 18. And this one is looking like a body mist. Let's find out. This one is the Ritual of Namaste Natural Skincare. It says purified. These are biodegradable cleansing wipes with moringa and holy lotus. Okay, ooh, and you can use them to remove waterproof makeup. Oh, that's great. I wasn't expecting skincare products for some reason, so I'm very surprised to see this one. And we have here 10 wipes, so this is a mini product. And let's continue with door number 19. I'm guessing that we have a shower oil. And this one is the Ritual of Karma Shower Foam Full of Kindness with Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea. So these are in the same set. And let's continue with day number 20. 20 looks like a mini candle. Yes! Oh my god, that's so intense. What is this? It says black out. So this one has oriental essences and you can celebrate with it joy and wishes of happiness. After that, door number 21, I almost forgot, is here. I think we have a shower oil. Again, I'm on a roll of not finding the products. And this one here is the Ritual of Jink or Yink. And this is for relaxing. It is a calming foaming shower gel. And the scent of it is Sacred Lotus and Jujube. Jujube or Yuyubi. Oh my god, this smells so fresh. Let's go to day number 22. 10,000 years later. This is the door number 22. It's a little bit bigger than other. I think it is a body cream. Nope, again I'm wrong. And this one here is the Ritual of Happy Buddha. We have here the energizing shower scrub. The scent is sweet orange and cedar wood. This one smells very fresh as well. I don't really like orange scents, but I like eating anything with oranges. Chocolate, cakes, cupcakes. My mother makes a very nice marmalade of oranges. And actually, I'm gonna ask her to send me some. So let's go to door number 23. It is this one here. And it looks like very similar to 22. So I'm gonna say a shower scrub for this one. Wrong again. This one here is the Ritual of Hammam, a purifying ceremony for body and soul. And it is the Soul Uplifting Body Cream with fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. The packaging is so pretty for this product. I love this color. Oh my god, the eucalyptus is so nice in this product. This one here contains 70 milliliters. I'm guessing that it is a mini product. And let's find door number 24. I'm gonna say a body mist. And of course I didn't find it. This one is the Ritual of Hammam. It is the refreshing foaming shower gel with fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. So this is exactly the same scent with the previous product. I think that we got just 3 full-size products in this advent calendar. Also the variety is not the greatest. A lot of products like shower gels and shower foams. They have a lot more products and I'm a little bit disappointed of the variety of this one. The value is almost what they are claiming. It's not bad. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3 stars. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this one, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!